everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I've made this lesson plan on conjunctions and it is for class 6, 7, 8 and let's get started. So in the starting we write details like teacher's name, class for 6, 7, 8 it is, and then subject is English grammar, you can specify it, and then our topic is conjunctions for today. Then we write date on which you will be teaching, then period, and then duration. Okay, duration is how much time you are going to take to teach this lesson. So approximately 35 minutes. Okay, after that comes general aims. As you know, it is related to the subject. So I've written first to create students' interest in English grammar, second to improve reading and writing skills of students, third to enable students to use theoretical knowledge practically, fourth to improve the vocabulary of students. Okay, so you can copy these general aims in every English grammar lesson plan. Okay, they can be same because the objective of teaching the subject is same. Okay, so then comes specific aims. First one is to make students understand the concept of conjunctions in depth, second to explain the meaning of conjunction, third to enable students to differentiate between the types of conjunctions, fourth to enable students to use conjunctions in their daily life. Okay, so these are the specific aims and these are related to the topic. Okay, and so they change in every lesson plan. Next comes teaching aids. So teaching aids are the things or materials that you need to teach the lesson. So we need chalk, duster, blackboard, pointer. You can write other things also like chart or model or whatever, flashcards, whatever you need. Okay, etc. Then comes previous knowledge assumed. So students have some knowledge about conjunctions, okay, because they have already studied it in their previous classes. After that comes previous knowledge testing. So for that, in our lesson plan, we'll make two columns. Okay, on the left side we write teachers activities and on the right hand side we write students activities. So the teacher will ask some questions based on their previous knowledge and the students have to answer. Okay, so first question is, Sheena is rich, she is unhappy. Okay, and then the teacher will say join these sentences. So students know conjunction, so they'll say Sheena is rich yet she is unhappy. Okay, then teacher will say what is yet in this sentence, so they'll say joining word. Now we'll say what else do you know about joining words, so there will be no response because it is a problematic question. Okay, so now we are going to announce our topic. So we'll write the heading in our lesson plan, announcement of the topic. So we'll say, well students, today we will study about conjunctions and its types in detail. Okay, and then comes the presentation part, which means the actual teaching part. Okay, so for this, what do? We make four columns. First one is teaching point, second teachers activities, third students activities, and fourth one is blackboard work. Okay, so first teaching point is definition of conjunctions. So we are going to again tell them the definition of conjunction. So the teacher will explain the definition of conjunctions and she will say a conjunction is a word used to connect words, phrases and clauses in a sentence. Okay, and students activity is students will listen carefully. And blackboard work, well, what will we do? We'll write the heading conjunctions and we'll write the definition on the board also. A conjunction is a word used to connect words, phrases and clauses in a sentence. Okay, after that, second teaching point is examples of conjunctions. So we'll give them examples. Okay, so some examples of conjunctions are and, or, but, yet, although, so, etc. You can write any, and we'll write the same thing on the board also. Okay, students activities remain same. Then third teaching point is types of conjunctions. Okay, so they don't know this thing, the types of conjunctions as of now. Okay, so we are going to introduce them. So the teacher will tell the types of conjunctions. So she'll say there are three types of conjunctions. Okay, firstly she'll list. She'll say coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions and correlative conjunctions. And we can make a sort of flow chart on the board and write types of conjunctions and we'll write the types. So what is students activity here? Students will note down in their notebooks. After that, fourth teaching point is explanation of types of conjunctions. Now we have listed the types of conjunctions, but now it is time to explain them. Okay, so the teacher will explain the different types of conjunctions one by one. So first one is coordinating conjunctions. So she'll explain it and say they are used to combine two independent clauses. Okay, for example, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Okay, and students activities, students will listen carefully, and blackboard work, we'll write the definition on the board along with the heading. Okay, and we'll write the examples also. You can also do one thing, you can also write sentences, okay, using these coordinating conjunctions, and underline the conjunctions in that. I have written it like that. Second one is subordinating conjunctions. So they are used to combine an independent clause and a dependent clause. For example, if, although, after, because, if, until, etc. So students will note down in their notebooks. Okay, whatever we are going to write on the board, they'll note it down. And we'll again do the same thing. We'll write the heading, subordinating conjunctions, and we'll define it, used to combine an independent and a dependent clause, and give the examples also. Okay, after that comes correlative conjunctions. So what are they? They are used to combine two phrases that have equal importance within a sentence. For example, not only, but also, either or, neither nor, if, then, etc. Okay, so there are two words that come in the same sentence. Okay, so students will try to understand, and we'll write the heading and the explanation and the definition along with the examples on the board also, for them to understand and copy. So that was it. You can also give the examples by writing the complete sentences. Okay, so now comes, in our lesson plan we'll mention recapitulation, which means when the teacher asks questions in order to understand whether the students have understood the concept well or not. Okay, so the teacher will ask the following questions. First one is define conjunctions. Second, name three types of conjunctions. Third, give one example of a coordinating conjunction. Fourth, how are subordinating and correlative conjunction different from each other? Okay. Next comes our homework part. Okay, so we'll give them a question, fill in the blanks with conjunctions, and also write the type of conjunctions used. Okay, so they have to fill in the blank with a conjunction. Okay, and then write the type also. So first one is, I did not go to work today dash, I was not keeping well. Second, Sita dash, I visited Goa last weekend. Third, dash, I was walking on the street, I found a wounded cat. Fourth, I may eat dash pasta dash bread. Fifth, dash, he is busy, he still takes out time for his family. Okay, so this was it. This was my lesson plan on conjunctions, and I hope you all have liked it. If you have liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want a lesson plan on any other topic, then you can write it in the comment section, and I will definitely try to make it as soon as possible. And thank you for watching.